Well, hi Beshi. Now, gagawan ko lang ng review itong aking nabili na sound card. Alam mo, wala lang no, natuwa lang ako dito kasi wala. I want something kasi na magkaroon ng quality yung boses ko every time, like for example, I have an online meeting, I have online interview or whatever. I do live streaming and all. And actually, plan ko talaga is to start a podcast, no? Now, let's see. But, yeah. Well, accidentally ko lang to nabili because yung daughter ko mentioned one time that parang kailangan nila ng, what's this? Kailangan niya ng microphone na maganda because they need to record a song sa school. So, di syempre ako naman, stage mother, no? So, napabili na ako nito, agad-agad. Yun lang actually yung reason. But, nasa cart ko na to for a long time. Nasa cart ko na siya for a long time. Napabili lang talaga ako kasi nga, nagkaroon ng need yung anak ko for this. Only to find out na po pwede naman palang gamitin yung boya ko na microphone. Anyway, to make the long story short, no? This is the Mauno AM200 S1 sound card condenser. Okay? Now, right now, ito yung ginagamit ko na microphone. This one. Ito yung mic that comes with the sound card. So, the pad, itong foam is removable. Okay? So, it's included as well. Included then is the tripod for the mic. Now, the mic is connected here via audio jack. There's another port here ng audio jack actually. Meron pang isa dito. And ang kinoconnect ko dyan actually is yung aking boya. The microphone. And this goes with two microphones as well. So, yan. May isa pa siyang slot for microphone. And then it goes with the headset for the monitor. Ito yan. Nasa kabit sa tenga ko. This one is for the headset. Para you can hear your voice. You can hear what's happening, kung ano yung mga sounds na lumalabas dito sa sound card mo. And then it has other ports as well. You can connect puro audio jack dyan. So if you need to connect other devices, you might need to have converter. Like for example, if you want to connect your phone as an output device, so you need like for example, kung yung device mo is type C, you need to connect, you need to buy purchase what's this adapter from type C to audio jack. So ayan siya. Now yun, as mentioned, ito yung ginagamit ko na microphone ngayon. Ano ba yung mga features nito? So basically, this is the volume for the microphone. So dito you can check dyan. And this is the volume for the music. Now you can connect a Bluetooth device for you to play music. So for example, ako, I connected my iPad. So yeah. You can control the volume of the music using this. You can use that to adjust the volume of the music. Hinaan lang natin siya. Okay. Now, this monitor is para marinig mo what comes out of the device. So, ito, naririnig ko siya dito sa headphones. Nakasama nitong sound card. So, yan. Ito lang siya. Now, of course, the echo. Yan. Mapapansin nyo, yan. So, i-zero ko yung echo. So, walang echo yung voice ko. And then, if you, then, yan, diba? Nag-iiba yung quality niya. Okay. Now, meron siya mga sound effects here. Meron siya mga sound effects. No? So, pinitin natin isa-isa para marinig natin. So, yan. Medyo mahaba siya. So, boo! Then, applause. And then, awkward. and then gunshot, and then slapping, ow! And then laughter, and cheering. Okay, now the four buttons here, you can record your own, like your music or what, or your own sound effect na kinostomize mo. You can do that on your own. Okay, now dito naman sa effect, if you can see, meron kasi siyang different effects, like kung papaano yung magiging quality or sound, yung background nung voice mo. So right now naka-normal siya. No, pag pinindot ko siya once, so this is the pro version. Okay, this is the pro version, and then if you click it again, pod, so parang podcast siya. Okay, so this is podcast, and then MC, so MC type naman to. So yan, parang nag-iiba-iba lang yung parang environment nung nung voice mo, and then the last, yan. So ito naman yung original. Now the effect and the pitch cannot be used at the same time. Ano naman yung pitch? The pitch will change, of course, yung parang yung voice effect mo naman. No. So the first one would be female.
So this is female. Ito yung female na pitch. And then next would be,
this is male. Male ba? Parang hindi naman male. And then next would be baby.
Baby. Oh, baby daw yan. Baby ko. Oh, yan. So, baby voice. And then the next is
robot. So this is the robot voice. Robot. Yan. So balik tayo sa effect.
Original voice lang tayo. Now for the music only, ito kasi you can press this one, like for example, you're doing live streaming or music lang yung maririnig nila. Daw. For the denoise, this is for noise cancelling. So right now naka siya, noise cancelling high siya. So ite-turn off ko siya. So ayan, naka-off yung noise cancellation ngayon. Okay? Meron kasi siyang 3 levels, off, low, and high. So pipindutin ko siya for low noise cancellation. So ayan, naka-low noise cancellation siya. And then I'll press it again. So noise cancellation high naman siya. Okay? Now itong loop back kasi, this one, pwede mo makontrol yung background music na mag-route siya sa live stream or not kapag may piniplay na accompaniment galing sa computer. So ito yon. Now for the sidechain naman, pagka tiniturn yung pag tinurn mo siya sa live stream, yung podcast console maglo-lower ang volume ng background music and iha-highlight niya yung voice mo kapag nakapa-podcast ka. So yun. Now you can also connect actually gitara dito para tapos may din yan ito. May mga anong tawag dito? Ayan. Ano bang tawag dito? What's this? Yan yung music key changer. So ayan. Ayan, ayan siya. So ayan, nababago siya, di ba? Ayan. You just long press para mawala siya. Okay. Now, ito naman dito, pwede mong i-low, mid, high. Ito naman yung adjust yung tune ng microphone. Like, magkaroon ng deep bass or smooth mid-range, and clear treble. So, ito naman yung gagamitin mo to adjust. Now, this one, of course, parang volume siya ng recording mo or ng microphone mo. So, yan. Ayan. For me, overall, for its price, it's good. I really like it kasi maganda yung quality nung sound coming from the mic. And I can still use, kasi actually, bumili pa ako ng voice mod na application before. Hindi ko talaga siya gusto, hindi ko siya na-enjoy. So, kaya, eto. So, this one is a good buy. You can try. So, eto. Nako-connect ko siya dyan. So, I get 3 microphones. I have 2 wireless microphone because this is wireless eh. Ito yung receiver. Ito yung receiver niya. And then, I have the 2 microphones. So, pwede ko siyang gamitin also. Yan. So, these are the 2 microphones. Diba? Wireless pa. Actually, I have the option not to use this one, but I like the quality, so it's fine. Kapag nandito lang naman, no? Pag nandito ako sa workstation ko, I can use the mic. Now, if I need extra mic and all, I can use this. Or if I, walking around and something, yan. Now, so this is it. This is actually Mauno AM200 S1 sound card condenser. If you have any question, just, comment. And then I'll try to answer you ASAP as soon as I read your comment. That's all. Thanks!